Hey y'all, it's Morgan from All Things Automotive. Today we're going to be looking at a 2021 Dodge Charger GT in a red exterior. I would like to mention this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX with one previous owner. We're going to walk around and show you some features, advantages, and benefits of owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, you will notice a black grille insert with black trim. Along the bottom, you will notice your black accents with front and fog lights. And take a look at those gorgeous LED headlights. As we make our way to the side, you will notice lightning tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here, All Things Automotive. A couple things to point out on the exterior, you will have heated mirrors, as well as proximity locks. Moving forward, we'll go ahead and show you guys the interior. The interior of this vehicle will come with a premium black and gray cloth, along with the black dash. While we're in here, we'll go ahead and get out the inspection sheet to show you guys the tire depth as well as the brakes. For your tire depth, you'll have 10 and 32 seconds all the way around. And for your brakes, the front pads will be 19 and 32 seconds, and your rear pads will be 16 and 32 seconds. In the back seat, that premium black and gray cloth interior will stay the same. Not to mention, you will have a pull-down middle console here with 2 cup holders. And on the back of the center console, you will have your heat and AC vents, as well as 2 USB plug-ins. Coming here to the rear, this vehicle is equipped with a backup camera. While we're back here, we'll go ahead and pop the trunk to show you guys the trunk size. Making our way now to some of the interior features of this vehicle, will come equipped with power windows, power mirrors, power locks, and power seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this vehicle up for y'all. You will notice that this vehicle will come with just under 45,000 miles on it. To the left of your steering wheel, you will have your headlight and fog light options, as well as your dash brightness and your trunk release. The left knob here behind your steering wheel will be your windshield wipers, as well as your turn signals and your bright lights. You will also have paddle shifters. On the left side of your steering wheel, you will have your dashboard options, as well as your talking options. And on the right side of your steering wheel, you will have your cruise control. Coming here to the center, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready. As I mentioned earlier, you will also have a backup camera. You will also have your climate control options here in the center, as well as your parking sensors, your traction control, and your different drive modes. You will have a storage area here with a 12-volt plug-in. You will have your gear shifter, 2 cup holders, and a large center console. To end off the interior features, up top you will have your lighting options, as well as a sunglass holder, and you will also have your built-in garage door openers. Taking a look underneath the hood, you will find a 3.6L V6F DOHC 24V engine. Notice too that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you may find. Starting here at the front end, you'll have several stone chips. Here above the front passenger side tire, you will have a couple chips, as well as a couple scratches. Here on the front passenger side door, you will have a couple chips. Here on the rear passenger side door, you will have a couple chips, as well as a couple scratches. Here along the back bumper, you will have a couple scratches. Here on the rear driver's side door, you will have a couple chips, as well as a couple scratches. Here on the front driver's side door, you will also have a couple chips, as well as a couple scratches. These are all pre-owned vehicles here, all things automotive. However, we believe in minimizing them as much as possible. That's all I have for y'all today on this 2021 Dodge Charger GT in a red exterior. Please hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on any new vehicle here, all things automotive. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales, or just go ahead and stop by to see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCallsburg, PA.